Hello traders, welcome to our channel Neo Markets. In this video, I will be sharing a strategy. The strategy combines two powerful indicators, Bollinger Bands and RSI. I will disclose settings of RSI that works very well with Bollinger Bands. This strategy works very well during the ranging markets. We all know that 70% of the times markets are in range and directional traders struggle to. With this strategy, one can make a scalping in ranging markets, provided one follows discipline and risk management. For sharing this strategy, my only expectation from you all is that you please like, subscribe and share to promote my channel. It will take only a minute of your time. Okay traders, let's learn this strategy. We will be using 3 minutes time frame. We will use Bollinger Bands with default settings. We will be using upper and lower bands for our strategy. We will use RSI along with Bollinger Bands. We will use period setting of 7 instead of default. We will set overbought levels to 60 and oversold levels to 40. Our setup is ready. Now let's look at the strategy. For buying, we will get ready when price goes below lower Bollinger Band and RSI goes below 40. We will buy when RSI rises above 40 and a bullish candle is formed. Stop loss will be below entry candle or swing low in case entry candle is very small. We will keep a target of 1:1.5 risk reward. For selling, we will do opposite. We will get ready when price goes above upper Bollinger Band and RSI rises above 60. We will enter into sell trade when RSI goes below 60 and a bearish candle is formed. Stop loss will be above entry candle or swing high if entry candle is small. We will keep a target of 1:1.5 risk reward. Now let's look at a couple of examples. So first we will look at a sell trade. Now if you look here, the price had crossed above upper Bollinger Band and also RSI was above 60. Now we will wait for RSI to drop below 60 and a bearish candle to be formed. With this bearish candle, we will make our entry and we will keep a target of 1:1.5. Let's move on to our next example, which will be a buy trade. If you look here, the price had gone below lower Bollinger Band and at the same time RSI was also below 40. Now we will wait for RSI to rise above 40 and a bullish candle to be formed. So we will make our entry here at this candle. We'll keep stop loss just below this candle and we'll keep a target of 1:1.5, which is met. Let's take another example, which is a sell trade again. So if you look here, price has gone above upper Bollinger Band and also RSI was above 60. Now we will wait for RSI to drop below 60 and a bearish candle to be formed. We will make our entry at the close of this candle and we will keep a target of 1:1.5, which is met in this trade. Let's look at one more example. So you understood the setup. The price had crossed below lower Bollinger Band and then we waited for RSI to rise above 40 and we make an entry at the bullish candle and we keep target of 1:1.5. I hope you have understood the strategy well. This strategy is truly amazing. Please backtest it before using it. Please like, subscribe and share this video with friends as it helps this channel to grow a lot. Please keep tuned to my channel by turning on notifications